Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Caddy panel van. It's a Highline model with a 102 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine. It also has a manual 5-speed gearbox. This van is a Euro 6 with navigation. This van is not VAT qualifying. To the front of the van, as you can see, it comes with daytime running headlights. It's also fitted with a nice chrome strip in the centre grille. This van is fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is a popular safety feature on the van range. To the lower part of the bumper, it's fitted with front fog lights. This van is painted in Indium Grey, which is a very popular colour. The wheels fitted to this van are alloys, which are 15-inch. Now for a look around the vehicle. The mirror caps and door handles are painted in body colour. To this side of the vehicle, it's fitted with a near side sliding door. Now for a quick look at the back of the Caddy. As you can see, it comes with rear wing doors. It's also fitted with heated rear windows which have privacy glass. It's also fitted with rear wash wipe. The rear tail lights are standard. The rear bumper is fitted with reverse parking sensors. This is ideal for when you're trying to park the vehicle up in tight spaces. This van is in superb condition and looks stunning in Indium Grey. Now for a look at the interior. As you can see, it comes with 2 comfortable seats in Austin cloth. To the back of the front seats, it comes with a mesh bulkhead for better vision for the driver. This van comes with a leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides of the steering wheel. To this side of the steering wheel, it comes with your media controls. On this side, it comes with cruise controls. This van has covered 19,154 miles. Now for a look at the centre of the dash. It's fitted with a 6.3 colour touchscreen multimedia system with satellite navigation. It's easy to use, just pinch your fingers across the screen to make it larger or smaller. You can also pull the screen across to find your ideal location. This vehicle is also fitted with App Connect. This is ideal for using your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps, e.g. music or maps. Here we have the 3 popular radio frequencies, DAB, FM and AM. This system is also fitted with Park Pilot technology for your rear parking sensors. This vehicle is also fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. It also has heated front and rear screens. Here we have the AUX port, the USB port, and here we have a 12-volt socket. Here we have the 5-speed manual gear stick. Now to the back of the Caddy. As you can see, the load area has been wood ply lined. There's plenty of space. Also the rear doors have been wood ply lined. The low floor has a check aluminium check plate. Here we have another view of the rear mesh bulkhead. Here we have a view from the near side sliding door. Across the floor, as you can see, there's load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing your loads whilst in transit. If you'd like any more information on this used 69 plate Caddy, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be able to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a personalised detailed video on request. And thank you for watching.